How to start an e-commerce business with Shopify. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we are going to show you how to start an e-commerce business with Shopify. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do if you would like to start an e-commerce business is to do some product research. So in the digital world, we actually make use of our cell phone devices and we are very active on social media. One of the best platforms where you can actually get inspiration, especially if you don't know what items you would be selling just yet, is here at TikTok. Why TikTok? TikTok has a lot of shops and a lot of people, especially influencers, do advertisements of different products where they are actually on demand and in trend right now. So you can actually see a lot of inspirations here at TikTok. And if you don't know where you're going to get the supplier, we'll be discussing that in a while. So next step that you're going to do is to set up a Shopify store. So Shopify store is a very well-known online store business all around the globe. So this is a global commerce platform, and there's actually if you start the free trial, that would be a 3-day free trial for you guys. Okay, and then here you will be asked a set of questions if you click on get started with Shopify. So you can actually skip all the questions by clicking on this one in the lower corner of the pop-out in Shopify. So skip all. Basically, these are just questions on if you're still starting a business or if you already do have an existing business and the likes, what niche of business you are into, or those kinds of questions basically that will profile what kind of business you're into. And with Shopify, the good thing about this one is that you are going to have your own domain. Okay, so in order for you to create a Shopify ID, you can actually continue with your email, Apple ID, your Facebook, or your Google. So you just need to choose from either of those 4 options. Alright, so now, as I mentioned, you only have a 3-day free trial. So after the 3-day free trial, you need to choose the plans. So first we have the basic plan, which costs $19. Next is the Shopify. This is a little bit more advanced than the basic, which costs $49, and the advanced, which is the very advanced, of course, which costs $299. So if you want to see the features, you can just click on the plus icon below each plans, and then you can check this out at shopify.com/ph/pricing. And yes, choose from those options you have. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is you are going to create your brand. When creating a brand, choose a logo that fits best onto your business. So this is an example of a logo I created using Canva. And then afterwards, another thing where you can actually create a brand using your Shopify app store is to go to your online store section. So basically, with Shopify, as I mentioned a while ago, you can actually have your own domain. All right. So with that, since you have your own domain, you could also customize or you could also design your own domain at the same time. How do you do that? You just need to go to the online store section under themes. You can actually create different kinds of themes or domain. Here below, you could see popular themes that you could also make use of. So those are pre-made templates, basically. Right? And then, say for example, you want to publish a specific theme, you can actually create different kinds of themes options, but you need to publish it in order for you to see the changes or make the changes onto your Shopify app store. If you are not confident with your web designing, which I am also not actually good at, you can actually go to Upwork or Fiverr and look for freelancers or graphic designers right there who could help you out with creating your domain, and you can tell them what kind of style you want to have onto your domain. Okay, next is, of course, we need to sell products, so we need to look for a supplier. Since we already did our product research and we already know what products we want to sell, so here at Shopify, in your admin store or admin user sign in, you just need to click on your search bar here above and go to the app section. So as for me, I have already an experience of using Deezers and CJ Dropshipping in order for me to import products from there or look for supplies for the products that I'd be selling onto my Shopify store. So Deezers is actually the best option that you can go to because this is affiliated or linked to Alibaba.com. So the products from Alibaba.com, you can actually drop ship it or like link it or import it onto your Shopify app store. So say for example, you would like to sell apparels. Like for me, I'm gonna sell apparel, so I would like to sell a shoe, for instance, which is on demand and really in trend as I did my TikTok research a while ago. So here, for example, you want to have like a white canvas shoes. So hit on enter and then look for the design that you would like to add onto your Shopify app store. Okay, there. So here are the products that you can import onto your Shopify store. Just select on one, or you could actually select on many. So there, say for example, we would like to import this specific product right here. So what we're going to do is to click on this orange button, or let's take a look at the product first in AliExpress. So there, this is how it looks like in AliExpress basically. All right, so once you're already satisfied with or what you have seen, what you're going to do next is to add to import list. So there. So let's go to our import list, and here, this is the section where you can actually push the product to Shopify. So click on this push to Shopify button in order for you to push it to Shopify. And then just click on this button if you're good to go. All right. Now, the next thing that we can do is to sell it on our Shopify store. And then we just would want to generate the income by then. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you find this video helpful.